Did you know Walmart will pay you $7,000 every single month to work from home? What's even better, it's absolutely free. You don't have to show your face and anybody can do it. Let me show you how. Step 1, go to Google and type in Walmart affiliate program and you're gonna click on this link right here. Once you get to this page, you're gonna go ahead and sign up for free. Once you're all signed up, you're gonna go ahead and look for a product to promote. And don't forget, the more expensive the product is, the more money you're gonna make. Once you find a product you like, go ahead and get your affiliate link. Next, we're gonna go to Pinterest and we're gonna create a free business account. Then we're gonna click on create and then we're gonna click on this one right here. Add the image of the product, add the title, and make sure you add a description of the product itself. By the way, make sure you don't forget this next step because it's super important and that's how you're gonna get paid. This is where you're gonna put your affiliate link. Somebody clicks on this link, they're gonna be taken to this page, and when they click and buy, you earn a commission. Once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and click on publish, and you can do this for as many products as you would like. This is called freelance digital marketing, known as affiliate marketing as well. And if you wanna learn how regular people, just like you and me, are making 5 to 10K per month passively, follow and see my profile.